Hey everyone, in this Bluehost discount tutorial, I'll show you how to get an exclusive Bluehost coupon code that saves you money on your Bluehost web hosting purchase, plus you'll get a free domain. By following along, you'll know exactly how to claim this Bluehost discount so you don't pay more than you need to for web hosting. To get started, click the link in the description below. This special Bluehost discount is automatically applied, so there's no need to enter a promo code. With this deal, you'll get Bluehost hosting for as low as $1.99 per month, plus a free domain name, an incredible offer for launching your website. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Bluehost discount. Once you click the link, you'll land on the Bluehost web hosting plans page. Click the View Plans button. You'll see the available Bluehost hosting plans, and each comes with a massive discount. The basic plan you'll get for $1.99 per month. The plan includes 10 websites, 10 gigabytes NVMe storage, and supports up to 40,000 visits per month. The Choice Plus plan you'll get for $3.99 per month. The plan includes 50 websites, 50 gigabytes NVMe storage, 500 concurrent visitors, 200,000 website visits per month, domain privacy free for the first year, daily backups for the first year, and phone support. The online store plan you'll get for $7.45 per month. The plan includes 50 websites, 50 gigabytes NVMe storage, 500 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 200,000 website visits per month. Automated real-time backups with Jetpack and WooCommerce auto install. You get a bunch of e-commerce extras like store analytics, secure online payments, bookings and appointments, shipping labels, product search and filtering, gift card creation, wish list, customer account customization, and sales and promotions builder by Wondercart. Pick the plan that best suits your needs and click the Choose Plan button. Next, you'll be on the domain setup page where you can register your free domain name. Simply type in your desired domain and check its availability. You'll also see an option for domain privacy plus protection. I highly recommend keeping this checked. This keeps your personal details private and prevents spammers from contacting you. Now you'll be on the cart page. Here's what to do next. Select your hosting term. The 12-month plan gives you the best pricing. Next, review add-ons. If you don't need extras, you can remove them by clicking the trash can icon. Next, proceed to the checkout. Click the Continue to Checkout button. Enter your contact and payment details. Then finalize your purchase by clicking Submit Payment. And that's it. You've successfully claimed your Bluehost coupon code and saved big on your web hosting purchase. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button and leave a comment below. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more Bluehost tutorials and web hosting tips. See you in the next video.